Resetting your AirPods, a step-by-step guide.
Hello there. In this video, we're going to talk about how to reset your AirPods to factory settings. This process is essential if you're planning to sell or give your AirPods to someone else. Don't worry, it's quite simple and doesn't take long.
Why should I reset my AirPods?
Resetting your AirPods disconnects them from your Apple ID and removes all settings. This means that the new owner will be able to use them without any of your personal information or settings. It's essentially like giving them brand new AirPods. So, remember, always reset your AirPods before transferring ownership.
What do I need before I start?
Before we begin the process, ensure that you have 1. Your AirPods 2. The AirPods charging case 3. An iOS device with Bluetooth turned on. Important note: make sure that your AirPods are inside their charging case and have sufficient charge. This process won't work if your AirPods are out of battery.
How do I reset my AirPods?
Here's how you can reset your AirPods. 1. Open the lid of your AirPods charging case, but keep your AirPods inside. 2. Go to the home screen on your iOS device. 3. Open the Settings app, then tap on Bluetooth. 4. Find your AirPods on the list of devices, and tap on the I icon next to them. 5. Tap on Forget this device, and confirm your choice. To complete the reset, close the lid of your AirPods charging case, wait for about 30 seconds, then open it again. Press and hold the button on the back of the case for about 15 seconds, until the status light in the case starts flashing amber. Release the button. The light will flash white, which means that your AirPods have been reset. That's it. Your AirPods have now been reset to their factory settings. Congratulations, you've successfully reset your AirPods. Now they're ready for their new owner. Remember to always reset any device to factory settings before selling or giving it away to protect your personal information. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video has been helpful. Enjoy your day.